Hi guys, I just wanted to update you about my last video of this slime without tire or glue. So I just put the paints. I put yellow and blue. Look how cool it is. I'm gonna try. Kinda hard. Squish slime with one hand. I'll put it in the homemade Poopsie tripod. Look. This cool color. Just roll it into a ball. It's like ASMR.